In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add meta tags in a Hostinger website step by step. If you want your website to rank better on Google, appear properly in search results, and improve your SEO, adding the correct meta tags is extremely important. The good news is that if you are using the Hostinger website builder, the process is actually very simple and only takes a couple of minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the SEO settings, where to add your meta title and meta description, and how to publish the changes so search engines can read them. So if you want to improve your website's visibility and make your pages easier for search engines to understand, keep watching. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and SEO tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, we need to open the Hostinger website builder. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you log in, you will arrive at the Hostinger dashboard, which is also called hPanel. From here, look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites, and you will see a list of all the websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the website where you want to add meta tags. Next to that site, you will see an option called Edit Website. Click on Edit Website, and this will open the Hostinger website builder. The builder is where you design pages, edit content, and manage your website settings. Wait a moment for the editor to load completely. Once the editor opens, you'll be able to access all the settings for each page on your website, including the SEO options where we will add the meta tags. Now let's open the SEO settings for a specific page. In the website builder, look toward the top or left side of the screen and click on Pages. This will open a list of all the pages on your site, such as the home page, about page, contact page, or any other pages you've created. Choose the page where you want to add the meta tags. For example, many people start with the home page, since it's usually the most important page for search engines. After selecting the page, look for the Settings option or the SEO settings for that page. Click on Settings or SEO, depending on what appears in your builder interface. This section is specifically designed for search engine optimization and allows you to control how your page appears in search results. Inside the SEO settings, you'll now see fields where you can add your meta tags. The first field is usually the SEO title or meta title. This is the title that appears in Google search results, so you should include your main keyword and make it clear and descriptive. Next, you will see the meta description field. The meta description is a short summary of your page that appears under the title in search results. Try to write a clear description that explains what your page is about and encourages people to click. Some versions of the builder may also allow you to add keywords or other SEO information. These meta tags help search engines understand the content of your page, which can improve your visibility and search ranking over time. Take a moment to review your title and description and make sure they accurately describe the page content. Once you've finished adding your meta tags, the final step is to publish your website so the changes go live. Look for the Update Website or Publish button in the builder. Click this button to save and publish your updates. After publishing, your new meta tags will be added to the page, and search engines will be able to detect them the next time they crawl your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add meta tags in a Hostinger website using the built-in SEO settings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, SEO tips, and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.